In commemoration of the 91st anniversary of the Indian Air Force, an air spectacle unfolded on October 20th, 2023 above Shillong's Umiam Lake as part of the Headquarter Eastern Air Command's outreach endeavor. The display featured a flypast featuring a range of aircraft including advanced light helicopter, Dornier, Rafale and Sukhoi 30 executing synchronized aerial formations. The formidable Chinook Helicopters also wowed the audience with their performance exhibiting impressive aerial maneuvers and flying prowess. The pinnacle of the event was the helicopter formation flying exhibition by the globally acclaimed Sarang Helicopter Display Team. Air Marshal S.P. Tharkar, the Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Eastern Air Command, graced the occasion as the chief guest. The demonstration attracted a substantial crowd which encompassed dignitaries from civil, state and defense domains as well as children and the general public. The showcase was an outstanding demonstration of flying expertise, precision and professional acumen.
For these indigenously developed helicopters. Coming in from your right side, representing the acclaimed of our nation.
Well, we did this show here in Shillong so that even people at Shillong can enjoy similar shows like they did at Guwahati just 5 days ago. And well, we were worried about weather, and like you saw in the morning where it was there was fog and then it was clouding, but then cleared up. And I hope that you and the crowds had actually enough thrills for at least for the day, if not for more. Frequently is a little difficult because the team comes here from way far down south in Sulur. Sulur is close to Coimbatore, and it takes time to get them across, and they do shows all across the country depending upon what is the kind of event and in various locations. So no, this was part of their calendar, and so we got them here. But we'll now be working out in the calendar for the next year, and let's see. But maybe now that we've done one in Shillong, maybe we'll do it at a second location somewhere else in proximity, possibly. But yes, we of course will do some.
indigenously built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, showcasing another Hindustan Aeronautics Limited aircraft, which is indigenous aircraft, that is the Dornier aircraft, and followed by we had the Chinook, the only heavy lift aircraft that is available, helicopter available with the Indian Air Force, and the Rafales, and then we handed over to the Sarangs for their display.
Which is the Sarangs are the, also they fly ALH, and which is also our indigenously built aircraft. And you all will be proud to know that our team, the Sarang Helicopter Display Team, is the only 5 helicopter military display team in this entire world.
Ma'am, can you just brief us on the pilots who were flying the Sarang squad?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Sarang formation was led by our commanding officer, Group Captain Santosh Kumar Mishra. With him, flying was squadron leader Akash. He's the youngest pilot of our team. In number 2, it was our flight commander, Wing Commander Sridhar. With him, flying was Wing Commander Janpriya. Number 3 was being flown by Wing Commander Chandan Patnaik. With him, flying was squadron leader Avinash. Number 4 was being flown by squadron leader Karan Prabhakar. With him, flying was Wing Commander Thakur Vikas Raj Singh. So these are all the pilots which I stated who were flying in the cockpit in all these 4 displays.
Each other.